Whoa, what do we got? Seeds and a 500-foot row cover. Hey everyone, I'm Andy from Meg's Edible Landscapes. Welcome to week number 1, the part of the season where nothing is growing yet, and yet somehow I'm already stressed out. This is the week that determines whether the rest of the year goes smoothly, or whether future Andy wakes up in May and wonders who sabotaged his life. Spoiler alert, it's usually this guy. So today, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening here at the plant nursery. Seed ordering, prep work, the first shipments arriving, and the systems I use to keep everything from spiraling into plant Armageddon. All right, week 1. It's the least glamorous, the most important, and the one that nobody on YouTube ever seems to talk about. I've been ordering seeds, locking in varieties, mapping out the planting calendar, and trying to remember if I learned anything from last year's calendar, which questionable. Right now is where I'm making decisions that determine if I'm eating lettuce in May or watching it bolt in April like it's trying to escape the garden. First shipment of the season. Oh yeah, it's seeds. These are carrots, by the way. Little botanical promises of future stress. Early season MVPs. Lettuces. This year I'm running Jericho, Black-Seeded Simpson, New Red Fire, Green Towers. Basically a salad bar with commitment issues. For onions, I'm growing Cortland, Valencia, Gladstone, long day onions that actually grow in Minnesota. Unlike the short day ones that just sit there and wonder, why does the sun hate them? For early tomatoes, we're growing Oregon Spring, Tasmanian Chocolate. These are early, reliable, and perfect for getting the CSA off to a great start. And yes, we're starting tomatoes early because this is Minnesota and we've all suffered trauma in the garden. Yeah! Over the next couple of days, I'll be prepping my seed starting mix from scratch, consisting of peat, perlite, and vermiculite, basically the garden equivalent of a protein shake. We sanitize the seed starting mix because I want to be the one in charge of which fungi grow in the garden this year. Then it's trays, labels, organization, all the stuff people skip on YouTube. But if you skip these steps in real life, you wake up in May surrounded by seedlings that look like a raccoon planted them. This prep is what saves you from chaos, and trust me, I've met chaos. We're not friends. And here's the fun part. My GoPro just showed up, which means this year we're gonna be switching to full POV garden coverage. You're going to see exactly what I see, which is typically soil, plants, and plants that don't wanna behave. So that's week number 1, planning, ordering, unboxing, prepping, and try not to screw anything up before the seeds actually go into the trays. Let's grow together this summer. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.